I need to go outside. Let's type. Now, here's an update here in my place. Raining, but I need to go outside. I will buy rice. Rice. Rice is life. It's cold. It's cold. Oh no. Oh, cold. Cold. Hey! Floods, not yet. But there are times that even no typhoon here in our street. It's flooded already, but now not yet. But it's cold. So we will buy rice in preparation also. Oh, it's cold. It's cold. And see here, it started already to have floods on the streets. Oh no, it's cold. Buy rice. Jasmine. Oops. Magkano dun sa color blue? Per kilo?
55.
Hmm? 55. Alin 40? Mango?
Hindi.
Maganda na rin yan.
Ito po ay broken.
Hmm? Asan yung Mindoro rice?
50 din.
Sumabit?
Sumabit. Ito, 50.
Bida-vlog ko eh. Magkano? 50 na. Pati na 40? Okay lang?
Broken.
Ay, yung isa. Parang maganda. Mindoro rice yan. Wait lang, balikan dito. O, diba? 50 per kilo. Ito, Jasmine. Yung 55. Ito na lang. 50. 5 kilos.